Construction technologies have reached a new level with innovations like 3D printing, modular building systems, and smart construction robotics. These advancements speed up project timelines, reduce waste, and improve precision. Drones and AI-powered software enhance site monitoring and safety, while sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs promote eco-friendly construction. Together, these technologies are revolutionizing the industry, making construction faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Tor Alva. White Tower. Tor Alva, or the White Tower, is a groundbreaking 30-meter tall, 3D printed concrete structure in Muleng, Switzerland. Designed by Michael Hansmeyer with ETH Zurich, it features 124 unique concrete elements, forming 32 branching columns. As visitors ascend through its 5 floors, they experience a vertical enfilade, leading to a light-filled cupola theatre with 32 seats. The tower exemplifies digital fabrication, computational design, and material efficiency. Its disassemblable structure demonstrates sustainable innovation, blending cultural heritage with cutting-edge architecture. Tor Alva stands as the world's tallest 3D printed tower and a symbol of future construction possibilities. Wolf House and Building Movers. Wolf House and Building Movers is a leader in structural relocation, specializing in moving and lifting entire buildings, including historic ones. With over 40 years of experience, they use cutting-edge technology like Buckingham power dollies, remote-controlled hydraulic systems, and Kenworth trucks for safe, precise moves. Their services include structure and roof lifting, under excavation, shoring, and support. Wolf also operates nationwide and partners with Buckingham Transport for heavy rigging and hauling. Known for their professionalism and safety, they handle diverse building types and guide clients through planning, permits, and cost considerations for each project. Harman Curtain Walls. Harman Curtain Walls, such as the UCW 8000 system, feature unitized construction, allowing components to be fabricated and glazed off-site for superior quality and reduced installation time. These systems offer extensive customization, supporting various glass thicknesses, trims, sunshades, and infills. Harman prioritizes performance with weather-tight seals, thermal efficiency, and sound control. Security is enhanced with features like mushroom pins and electronic integration. Accessibility is improved through lift and slide doors with barrier-free sills. Harman Curtain Walls also contribute to aesthetics and sustainability, making them ideal for modern architectural designs, demanding performance, durability, and design flexibility. Warwickshire Overbridge. The Warwickshire Overbridge AI Overview highlights several key overbridge projects associated with the HS2 high-speed rail line. These include the Kenilworth Overbridge, which allows HS2 to pass beneath the Coventry-Leamington line while reducing local traffic disruption, the Aston Church Road Overbridge, installed off-site in Saltley to minimise road closures, and the Crackley Lane Overbridge, a 78-metre steel composite structure. Additional structures include the Marston Box Rail Bridge and M42 Twin Box, both enabling HS2 to cross the M42. These overbridges showcase innovative engineering to integrate HS2 into Warwickshire's transport network efficiently. Mevadec. Mevadec is a versatile slab formwork system designed for flexibility, efficiency, and safety. It supports 3 slab forming methods: FTE, HN, and E within one system, allowing easy adaptation to varied floor plans. Its drophead system enables early stripping, reducing construction time and material use. Mivadek's lightweight, ergonomic panels feature durable Alcaz all-plastic facing with a 7-year warranty. The system minimises props, simplifies panel installation, and ensures safe erection from below. With reduced concrete adhesion, easy cleaning, and compatibility with older systems, Mivadek offers a cost-effective, durable, and smart solution for modern slab construction. FRP Bridge. FRP, Fibre Reinforced Polymer. Bridges use composite materials made from polymer resins and reinforcing fibres like glass or carbon, offering strength, lightness, and corrosion resistance. Ideal for pedestrian, vehicular, and trail bridges, FRP structures are easy to install, require minimal maintenance, and have lifespans exceeding 100 years. They are cost-effective over time and environmentally friendly. FRP bridges are used in new construction, retrofitting, and specialty applications. Their lightweight nature and design flexibility make them a smart choice for modern infrastructure projects, especially in harsh or sensitive environments. Tundra Box. Tundra Box by Soprana is a modular pre-vegetated green roof system designed for quick and easy installation. Each lightweight tray includes a filter cloth, growing medium, built-in drainage, and pre-grown sedum plants, making it ideal for flat roofs, terraces, and decks. The recyclable polypropylene trays feature removable sideboards for a clean, seamless look and a retention frame for plant protection. Tundra Box enhances water retention, reduces runoff, and resists wind uplift. Adaptable to various climates, it supports biodiversity, improves air quality, and provides immediate aesthetic and environmental benefits. Hybrid Polymer Concrete. Hybrid Polymer Concrete, HPC, is an advanced construction material that blends traditional concrete with polymers to deliver superior strength, flexibility, and durability. Ideal for bridge deck overlays, road resurfacing, and industrial flooring, HPC resists cracking, moisture, and chemical damage. It offers high bond strength, fast curing, and excellent impermeability. HPC's flexibility allows it to move with underlying structures, reducing maintenance needs. Common products like Fast-Track HPC and CE710 provide long-lasting, skid-resistant surfaces. With low VOC options and environmental benefits, HPC is a modern, cost-effective alternative to conventional concrete in demanding infrastructure applications. Origami structures. Origami structures are innovative designs inspired by the Japanese art of paper folding, offering compactness, flexibility, and strength. These structures can fold from flat, two-dimensional forms into three-dimensional configurations, making them ideal for deployable and reconfigurable applications. Used in architecture, engineering, medicine, and space exploration, origami structures support foldable roofs, surgical tools, solar arrays, and even DNA-based nanotechnology. Benefits include lightweight strength, material efficiency, and adaptability. With modular design, active responses to stimuli, and reduced assembly needs, origami structures present sustainable, cost-effective solutions for modern technological and structural challenges. Enduramat. Enduramat is a tough, lightweight ground protection mat designed for temporary access over soft or sensitive terrain. Made from recycled plastic, it supports vehicles up to 80 tons and features a reversible tread for both pedestrian and vehicle use. Quick to install with simple connectors, Enduramat prevents ground damage and ensures safe access on construction sites, event grounds, and muddy areas. The mats are durable, easy to clean, and include handholds for portability. They can also be customized with logos or colors, making them ideal for both functional and branded use. MapeGuard WP System. The MapeGuard WP system is a reliable waterproofing and crack prevention solution, ideal for internal wet areas such as bathrooms, showers, and balconies. Its core component, MapeGuard WP200, is an alkali-resistant membrane with anti-fracture properties that allows for immediate tiling after installation. Easy to apply on both floors and walls, it adheres well to cementitious adhesives and features accessories for complete protection at edges and corners. The system is hygienic, durable, and compatible with various substrates, including moisture-sensitive surfaces and heated floors, ensuring long-lasting performance and protection in demanding environments. Pneumatic vacuum elevators. Pneumatic vacuum elevators offer a sleek, space-saving solution for vertical transport using air pressure instead of cables or hydraulics. Housed in a transparent, self-supporting cylinder, they provide 360-degree visibility and require no pit or machine room, making them ideal for existing homes. Their compact footprint, energy efficiency, and fast installation make them highly practical. Safety features include emergency brakes, automatic lowering during power outages, and interlocking doors. With minimal maintenance needs and modern aesthetics, these elevators combine innovative technology with elegant design for efficient and stylish home mobility solutions. B-Core Slab. B-Core slabs are innovative, lightweight structural panels made by fusing two stainless steel plates with a network of thin-walled tubes. This design provides high strength, stiffness, and durability, while significantly reducing weight compared to traditional materials like concrete. B-Core offers excellent corrosion resistance, making it ideal for demanding environments. Its versatility allows use in floors, walls, roofs, and even vehicles. The slabs are easy to fabricate, sustainable due to long lifespan and reduced material usage, and cost-effective over time. Their ductility and strength also make them resistant to seismic forces, enhancing structural safety. BIM Printer. The BIM Printer is a mobile topographic robot that revolutionizes construction layout marking by printing digital BIM models directly onto surfaces with 2mm precision. Using fluorescent paint and laser engraving, it works on concrete, asphalt, wood, and slopes up to 15%. It prints points, lines, texts, and more, and integrates with major robotic total stations like Leica, Topcon, and Trimble. Compatible with CADE DWG files, it offers automatic and semi-automatic modes, built-in quality control, and boosts safety by reducing manual labour. The BIM printer saves time, cuts costs, and ensures accurate translation of digital designs to physical construction. EggcoBox. EggcoBox is a thermal break balcony connector designed to reduce thermal bridging in cantilevered components like balconies, walls, and corbels. It provides a thermally insulating barrier between interior and exterior elements, enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. EggcoBox maintains structural integrity through reinforcement continuity and efficient load transfer. It offers customizable options to fit various structural needs and geometries. Fire-resistant versions achieve up to REI 120 ratings. Installation is fast and simple, with support from FM-based design software. Certified across Europe, EggcoBox improves thermal performance, safety, and sustainability in modern construction projects.